Hello everyone. Let's continue with our series. Today we will learn about concept of surplus value. So what is this concept? The workers are the producers and they should be responsible for this amount of surplus, and the profit should be equally distributed among the all people. This is said by Karl Marx that workers, capitalists and everyone who is participating in this process should be given equal value. But Marx knew that this would not happen, and the capitalists will take almost all of the amount of surplus value, and it was the wages that was also always getting reduced to increase the surplus production. So let's say, what is surplus value? Surplus value equals to cost of product minus the wages paid to the workers. And the cost of product was fixed and the wages paid to the workers are variable. And here in this example, we can see that a cost of product is fixed at 25 rupees and the wages are variable. So in first case, the wages 20, in the second case is 15, and in the third case is 2 rupees. So if we calculate this surplus value profit, so 25 minus 20 is 5. 5 divided by the value given to the workers multiply by 100 gives profit of 25%. So they decrease the number of wages to the workers. We will learn about it in the later lectures, that why their wages were reduced. So 25 minus 15, it will be 10, and divided by number of wages paid and multiply by 100 to get the profit percent. It will be 67, and then subsequently 1157%. So according to Marx, everyone, including the capitalists, owner and the workers, should get same wages, and uniformity and equality should be there in communism. Because what is happening in capitalist society? Cutting the profit from each worker's pocket, and all profit is going into hands of capitalists. So Marx called it as becoming poor or pauperization, that is becoming poor each and every day. In this graph, we can see that the worker status, the capitalist status, the workers, earlier they were lower and today also they are lower. But capitalists, earlier they were at this level and they increased their level to this much. So there is not much change in workers' position, but there is a huge difference in the capitalist position. Keep watching. In the next lecture, we will see high mechanization. Please subscribe to the channel and share it as much as possible. Thank you.